After opening Premiere Pro, if you would click on Help and then select About Premiere Pro, you could see your Premiere Pro's version as well as build. So in order to install the beta version, click on your taskbar tray to expand it and then find this icon. Click on it to open it. It basically opens Creative Cloud Desktop, and now select Apps, and at the top you could see a tab called Beta. Select it, and in order to install Premiere Pro beta version, find Premiere Pro in here and then click on Install. After a while it is installed, and now if you will click on Open to open Premiere Pro beta version and then select Help and select About Premiere Pro, you could see that it is the beta version. Important, if you would try to open your Premiere Pro's project, it would still open in old version of Premiere Pro. That means when you install beta version, the old version is not uninstalled. Now to open the same project using the beta version, right click on the project, hover your cursor over Open With, and now you could see Adobe Premiere Pro beta version is available in here. So select it, and then this would open your project in the beta version.